The recent statements from Jerome Powell have had a negative impact on the cryptocurrency market by creating fear and uncertainty among investors. This has led to panic selling and liquidations, as well as a decrease in new investments in the sector. Increased regulation from the US government could further hinder the growth and development of the cryptocurrency market. This article effectively evaluates the current state of the cryptocurrency market, particularly in regards to the price correlation between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, the bearish pressure of XRP, and the impact of Jerome Powell's comments on the market. It provides a comprehensive description of the current situation, as well as an analysis of the potential implications of the Fed chair's statement on the market. The article concludes by noting the potential negative effects of increased regulation on the industry. US authorities transferred $1 billion worth of Bitcoin to new wallet addresses, including one owned by Coinbase, on Wednesday. This caused investor worries that the tokens could be sold on the open market, driving down the price. In the past, authorities have sold seized digital assets at auction. The current composition of the Bitcoin market may help it stand up to sell pressures better than it did in the wake of the Terra Luna crash. The government's plans for the tokens remain unknown. This article provides an overview of investor worries regarding the US government's transfer of $1 billion worth of Bitcoin from a dark web hack to new wallet addresses, including one owned by Coinbase. Investors fear that the sale of the Bitcoin on the open market could potentially drive the token's price down. The article also addresses the past handling of seized digital assets by the government, the current composition of the Bitcoin market, and the potential market-moving events that could occur if the government decides to auction off or consolidate the assets. Although investor concerns may be warranted, the larger amount of push in the market today could help Bitcoin stand up to sell pressures better than it did last year. Exchange.art, a Solana-based digital fine art marketplace, has announced the release of Code Canvas, a generative art NFT platform. Code Canvas will facilitate the minting and trading of generative art NFTs on the Solana blockchain. It will feature drops from artists native to Ethereum and Tezos. Additionally, Code Canvas will reward creators and their fans with Co-Ca passes. It will also enforce royalties on Solana to ensure creators are properly compensated. This article discusses the launch of Code Canvas, a generative art non-fungible token platform on the Solana blockchain. The platform will allow creators and collectors to mint and trade generative art NFTs. It will feature drops from both Ethereum and Tezos native generative artists, and reward creators and their fans with Co-Ca passes. Additionally, it will enforce royalties on Solana, standing with creators and their earnings. This is a great development for the NFT ecosystem, as it will help promote committed communities and collector bases, and ensure creators are protected and rewarded for their work.